Children, the is the definite article. We have to use it before a noun whenever we want to make it particular. For example, the train by which I came means here you are specifying a train by which you came. The information I received means that particular information which you have only received. The books I usually read. You are mentioning the books you used to read. The mercy the king showed. The can be used both with the countables like train, books, and the uncountables like information and mercy. And it can be used with the countables both in the singular number and the plural number like books. Children, we use the with the noun that has already been mentioned, like I got a camera and a watch as birthday presents. The watch is beautiful, but the camera doesn't click. Why the watch? Because here we are talking about the same watch which is mentioned in the sentence at the beginning and the same camera. So that is why twice it is repeated and we are talking about the same particular thing. So that is why we will put the. We say a camera and a watch because when we mention them for the first time, they could be any camera and any watch. But after being mentioned once, they get particularized. So when we mention them again, we have to use the with them. Then we use the when it is clear from the situation which people or things we mean. The principal is taking a round of the school means the principal of our school. So we have added the here. May I use the telephone? Means that particular telephone you are talking about. Then we use the with superlatives. As you know, there are 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. So along with the superlative degrees, we have to always use the. The brightest star in the sky. The most hilarious act. We use the with such phrases as immediately single out or specify a person or object. The first building, the last day, the next candidate, the only child, the same pen, the chief aim. Children, we also use the with a common noun when that noun represents the whole class, like the donkey is a beast of burden. So here the donkey means all the donkeys of the world, and the cow means all the cows of the world. Children, we use the when there is only one of something, when there is something unique, like there are many planets, but Earth is only one. Moon, sun, sky, equator, North Pole, East, West. These are some of the examples. The equator divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. The sun shines over the North Pole for 6 months. The nouns we have mentioned above are often described as nouns of unique reference. We use the with the name of rivers like the Brahmaputra, the Godavari, seas and oceans like the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, mountain ranges, the Aravallis, the Vindhyas, holy books like the Gita, the Quran, trains, ships, aeroplanes like the Shatabdi Express, the Ashoka, newspapers like the Indian Express, the Statesman, well-known buildings like the Red Fort, the Lotus Temple. Countries, if the name the United States of America, like the contains of common noun, the United Kingdom. The word states and kingdom are common nouns. That is why here we have to put the whole families like the Gandhis. But remember, you don't have to put the before Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi because that is proper noun. But here the Gandhis means whole Gandhi family. The Khans, all the Khans, the Khan family. So that is why the Gandhis and the Khans is mentioned here. Children, we use the with adjectives when those adjectives are used as nouns, like laws should be fair to the lucky as well as the unlucky. There should be equal opportunities for both the rich and the poor. The use of the in the following sentences, let's take a look. The more, the merrier. The nearer, the church. The farther from God. Eggs are sold by the dozen. Petrol is sold by the liter. Children, we say go to the cinema, the theatre. I often go to the theatre, but I haven't been to the cinema for a long time. We usually say the radio but television without the. Note the use of the in the following expressions. On the one hand. On the other hand, to speak the truth. To read in the original. To play the sitar. Children, now let's see omission of article. Omission means deletion or exclusion. Means when someone or something that has been left out or excluded, that is called omission. So here the meaning of omission of article is we normally do not use any article. When a noun is used in the general sense, like man is mortal, we are talking about of all the man in general sense. So here there is no need of any article. With nouns that name materials like paper has become very expensive. So we are talking about all the papers. She made a heavy investment in gold. But when these nouns are particularized, we use the with them. The paper used in this book is of a superior quality. Means we are talking about a specific paper. With plural nouns, when they denote a class, like children have a fertile imagination, animals can also be friendly. So there is no need of any article. We omitted article with the names of meals also, like breakfast, lunch, dinner. She invited all her friends to lunch. Dinner should be taken much before bedtime. With the names of diseases like malaria, typhoid, but the measles and the mumps. Malaria is no longer a killer disease. Quite a few children suffer from the mumps. So we have seen along with the malaria there is no use of any article, but along with mumps we have used the. With languages and branches of knowledge like English, Hindi, history, mathematics. English means the English language, the English means the English people. English is the language of the English. Japanese is typical language. With the names of days, months and seasons. Sunday is a holiday. It should not be called the Sunday or the June. Our school is closed for summer vacation in June. Spring is a season of great rejoicing. Children, articles are omitted with these phrases too, like to go to bed, to go to work, to go home, to take place, to take part in, to take interest in, to take care of, to make use of, to take heart, to take to heart, to lose heart, to be in debt, to be at fault, out of doors, at first sight, from head to foot, to set foot on, to take to task. Children, articles are omitted along with these phrases also: by bus, by hand, on strike, at hand, by car, on foot, in case, at last, by air, by mistake, in trouble, all day, by sea, on duty, at times, all night, etc. Most of the children come to the school by bus. I put your book in my bag by mistake. Articles are omitted with words like father, mother, uncle, because in a given situation they are just like a proper noun. Look at these sentences. Father has just come from the office. Mother has not been well since yesterday, means they are talking about their mother and father. In newspaper headlines also, in notices also, in email messages, in this way, like President inaugurates trade fair. So means the president has inaugurated the trade fair. Here it means lost brown colored purse in playground, means a brown colored purse has been lost in the playground. Come for interview 15 July. Come for an interview on the 15th of July means. Children, see how the use or omission of an article changes the meaning. The man is sitting in the front of the car. The second sentence is the man is sitting in front of the car. Majority of the children here go to school, means go to study. I went to the school to meet an old teacher of mine, means to the school building. We use words like prison, hospital also in the same way. The repetition of articles, look at these sentences. I can see a white and a black cow grazing in the field, means two cows, one white and the other one is black. I can see a white and black cow grazing in the field, means only one cow which is black and white. The director and the producer of the movie were not present, means two persons, one director and the other producer. The director and producer of the movie was not present. Only one person who is both the director and the producer of the movie.